ma'am, this is gonna go much faster, and we're gonna get you out of here much sooner if you are assaulted. Helps you kind of pull them together, and then if you'll put your face near them, then everyone can hear your responses, okay? All right, thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Pledger. How are you?
I'm good.
Could you state?
I'm sorry, nobody's gonna be able to hear you if you speak that low. So I'm gonna ask you to move.
It's spelled Jermiya.
Last name?
Pledger, Pledger.
I saw outside that you have a young baby with you.
Yes.
What's that child's name?
Chloe Collins.
Who is the father of that child?
Miles Collins.
Do you see him present in court today?
Yes.
Can you identify what he's wearing for the record?
A blue vest and a white shirt.
The record reflects Ms. Pledger, you also know David Booker?
Yes.
Do you see him present in court?
Yes.
Could you identify what he's wearing for the court?
A blue and white shirt.
The record reflected. Now, Josiah Hughley, you met him before?
Yes.
You know Mr. James? President court?
Yes.
Can you identify for the record what he's wearing?
A brown shirt.
Your Honor, can the record reflect she's identified Mr. Josiah Hughley?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to direct your attention to 2022. Ms. Pledger, that time that you have from number 479.
Yes.
On the day that the accused murder happened, you picked up Mr. Collins and Mr. Booker, Officer David Booker.
I remember picking up Miles.
You remember picking up Miles? Did you remember picking up anybody else?
No.
You've testified previously under oath in this matter?
Okay.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And your voice has fallen. Okay.
Already. No.
Did you previously testify under oath that you was with Josiah?
Yes.
Yeah, you can't have them in court.
Those are messages with my mom.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll get back. You actually have a text message from your mom. Is that correct?
Yes.
Here's your accurate.
Okay, and, go ahead. All right. Mr. Melvin, I'm sorry, I didn't catch which number you had.
David States 85.
85? Okay, 85 is admitted over objection. and over the previous motion we heard this morning.
Commissioner Butler?
Yes.
Now, put up a quick shot of that July. So, Mama.
Read it.
Yes,
I said because I don't want him at the house because of what he did.
we really aren't thinking Miles is OTR.
I said okay, but nobody knows that but me and you.
That continuation of started
Yes.
Truly accurately represent that.
Yes.
I'm going to admit States Exhibit 86 and 87 over the continuing objection.
Commissioner Butler?
Yes.
Just gonna pick up where it starts.
Baker said their suspects were interested in that. I think they have enough already. Is that probably
Yes. They do.
probably responded desperately for getting all the information. I love you, everything you want here.
I said I know. I think that's the boy that told on Miles because nobody knew where he was at but me and that boy. Now all of a sudden he got locked up and the people know where he was at.
Next little portion is kind of this one. This is very essence, very fine.
Yes.
And then your father responded, I understand, you feel he's still here.
I will call. I said I will call when we make it home because Chloe should be waking up. I don't need everyone in our business.
You also
Yes.
States 91.
Yes. 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 Yes.
88's already been admitted, so it'd be 89 through 93. Is that correct, Mr. Melvin? No. Okay, then 88 through 93. But 88 through 93 are admitted over objection from the motion this morning.
Your Honor, on behalf of the state, I'll acknowledge continuing objection from defense counsel unless they have an unstated reason so that they don't.
Okay. Certain.
Mr. Pledger, on the
First Texas states 88, there's a location, and this section right here, is that you or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna move.
So, it says this is where we're at, this is where we're at, that's you. So it's actually telling them that we're at 67.
Yes,
We're at 1%.
yes,
We have to do security.
yes,
The Sunday flight before, counts next to you, 11, sorry, $11,100.
yes,
Then go to later in the day,
yes,
and you just leave it on this. Is that right?
yes,
And states 89 is a enlargement on the map that introduces Senate on July 10th.
yes,
Then we go into the first response. It says, now, we talked about the screenshot that you guys allows
yes,
showing a number of 678 542
yes,
New text, looking for at 1229 to let me know where you want me to go. 1215 folks, there they.
Yeah, if you would, please.
So, Mr. Collins testified, if you try to hurry up and go through his time, is that right?
yes,
And you gave his place, there he was, is that right?
yes,
And he responded, how long will you be there? Is that right?
yes. Thank you. Yes,
Started doing some search history.
started looking up the incident.
yes.
Mr. Melvin?
I'm so sorry, because I have one more thing.
Okay, no problem.
So on states 92, previously, and Mr. Collins says, what do you take to start back here? And it's easier to, then he reiterated for the person.
Yes.
We told him to do it.
Yes.
What did he say after that?
Okay, thank you.
Said you are.
Yes.
What did he say?
He said this is my exact location. I said hurry up.
All right. But you started searching.
Yes.
Screenshots were made of those searches on your phone.
So there's no objection. Okay, Mr. Okay, so States Exhibit 94, States Exhibit 95, and 96 are admitted without objection.
And permission to publish it.
Yes, sir.
On July 10th, Ms. Pledger, the
Second entry on the innocence. First searching
Attempted carjacking leaves one man dead.
I'm sorry, on July 20th, just a few days later, your second search was, starts attempted carjacking?
Attempted carjacking leaves one man dead.
Yes, ma'am. Then you actually pulled up some news articles.
Yes.
And first search history on
Suspect arrested in the murder of a coach. Yes.
it's a screenshot of it.
Yes.
And that's an accurate screenshot of the article that you read.
Yes.
Judge Wood, tender states 97 this time.
States Exhibit 97 is admitted without objection.
Permission to publish?
Certain.
What's being shown to the jury and what's been admitted into evidence is the actual article that you read. You recognize the person's
Yes. David.
David Booker?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Pledger, we've previously gone into the fact that you sent some payment.
Yes. The Apple Pay to somebody? Yes. 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 Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, we would publish a tender states 98.
States Exhibit 98 is admitted without objection.
Permission to publish?
Yes.
So what's being shown to the jury right now, the same thing that has been shown to you as states 98?
Is that right?
Yes.
Like this, like it was just supposed to be like this, why did you
I was paying for a rental car.
Yes, ma'am, and at the request. All I have. Thank you.
Mr. Lewis?
I don't remember.
Either.
My name is Lawrence Lewis. If I ask you a question you don't understand, you just let me know, and then I'll try to rephrase it so it makes sense, okay?
Okay.
You've been in court before, though, is that right?
Yes.
How many times have you testified before?
It's my second time.
Fantastic. The judge is going to tell us not to talk over each other. And since I'm in court almost every day, and this is only your second time, if we end up talking over each other, it's my fault, so you don't have to worry about it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. You know this person here in the shirt?
Yes.
I don't know when he came out of fashion. Can you point to David Booker? You can go. There he is. And Jeremiah, Josiah Hughley, point to him. Okay, fantastic. And Miles Collins, you know who that is, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the baby with Miles Collins.
Yes.
Yeah, point to him. Fantastic. Do you know how often we're talking about back in 2022, do you know how often David Booker and Miles Collins
Like,
sometimes, like, to your knowledge, when you swung together or you were texting and Miles told you, hey, I'm getting together with David, is that the name that you called him by?
no.
What did you call him?
D5.
D5. Okay. We want to make it all easy. D5. Did you know his government name?
No.
David Booker, you always called him D5, is that right?
Yes.
Fantastic. Sometimes Miles Collins, D5, get together. What do you call Miles Collins?
Miles.
Miles. Okay, fantastic. Miles and D5. Sometimes they would get together. Like, to your knowledge, would you either see them together or Miles is texting telling you, hey, I'm getting together with D5? Is that once a month? Together, going somewhere and doing something together?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. I understand you had a baby with Miles. When was the baby born?
June 2nd, 2022.
June 2nd, 2022. January, February, March of 2022, if you can remember. How often would you see Miles Collins?
Every day.
Every day. Okay, good. So when you saw him every day, were you guys hanging out? Were you all day? Was he going to work every day? You would see him at night?
We was together all day.
Together all day. During that time, we've been together all day from January, February, March of 2022. Would D5 then come around?
Sometimes.
Okay. Did you and Miles typically have to go and pick up D5, or did D5 get a ride out to where you and Miles Collins were?
He would come to where we was at.
Fantastic. Do you remember where you and Miles Collins were living January, February, March of 2022?
No, I don't remember.
Okay. Did you and Miles have your own place?
No.
Okay. Were you living with your people and he was living with his people?
Yes.
Okay, good. But you and him would end up seeing each other every day, even though you were living in two separate households. Is that right?
Yes.
January, February, March of 2022. Did you know D5 to work at all?
I don't know.
I understand it's back in 2022. So when you say that, I'm gonna try to help a little bit. Do you recall if you ever worked at UPS?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recall if you were part-time or full-time at UPS?
No.
Okay. Did you ever get together? Listen, I'm gonna call it only what I know it to be. I know the terms I've asked. Did you and Miles Collins ever double date with D5 and his girlfriend?
No.
You know what that word means?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, I'm not that old. All right. Josiah Hughley, do you know him?
No.
Did he ever come around and hang around on Miles Collins' social media page?
Sometimes.
Okay, were you too excited? Let me start here. What social media did Miles have back in 2022?
Instagram.
Instagram, all right. That's the only one he had, Instagram?
Yes.
Did he post everything on there?
Not everything.
Okay, did he post videos and things like that on Instagram?
Yes.
Okay, good. And did you ever, were you on Instagram? Friend people on Instagram? How do you get to see Miles' Instagram? How does that happen?
You have to follow them.
Follow them. Okay, good. So were you following Miles Collins in the early part of 2022?
Yes.
And was he following you?
Yes.
When he went somewhere where people take pictures of their food, when Miles Collins went somewhere, would he take pictures of the place where he was, selfies and things like that, and post that on Instagram?
No.
Okay. Did you ever see Miles Collins posted anything with D5, David Booker on Instagram in 2022 or 2021?
No.
Did you ever see Josiah Hughley on Miles Collins' Instagram?
No.
I don't have any further questions.
Mr. Clegg?
You have testified in a previous hearing in this court. Do you recall me asking you some questions?
Yes.
And again, speak up. I mean, I know you're seeking relationship with one another, correct?
Yes.
You actually gave birth to his child in June of 2022, did you not?
I did.
Specifically, that child would have been born on June the 2nd of 2022, correct?
Yes.
And back in June of 2000, June or July the 10th of 2022, did you have occasion to see Mr. So you would have had contact with him virtually every day, correct?
Yes.
Now, from July the 10th until July the 25th, the day he was arrested, would you have seen him on a regular basis?
Yes.
Would you have had an opportunity to observe his demeanor and his mood during that period of time?
Yes.
Period of time.
Yes.
During that period of time, your child would have been an infant, correct?
Yes.
Literally less than 2 months old, correct?
Yes.
Did Miles assist you with caring for the infant?
Yes.
Now, you indicated that you knew Mr. Booker, although you did not know Mr. Booker by the name of David Booker. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you did not really know Mr. Hughley. Is that correct?
Yes.
Had you seen Mr. Hughley? How many times have you seen Mr. Hughley in your life? I mean, other than coming to court, how many times have you seen him?
Maybe like one time.
One time?
Yes.
Now, going back to July the 10th of 2022, I think I missed something, but I apologize. Did you pick Mr. Collins up?
Yes.
Was anyone with Mr. Collins?
No.
No. Okay, so he was by himself?
Yes.
Did you see Mr. Collins in possession of any sort of automobile at that time? Did you see Mr. Collins in possession of any sort of weapon at that time?
No.
Do you recall the specific day when you went to a Lithonia address and picked him up?
Yes.
Was that on July the 10th?
Yes.
Do you recall his mood at the time when you picked him up?
Yes.
He appeared to be upset.
No.
When you picked him up, where did you go? If you recall.
I don't remember.
Some time, 2.5 years, okay. But you guys were still living together with him. You guys were living together at that time, right?
Yes.
And you continued to live together for approximately 2 weeks or so, correct?
Yes.
During that time, did you see Mr. Collins in possession of any sort of weapon?
No. I seen something about it and I seen something about it and I pressed on it.
So you did not independently go looking for it, correct?
Yes.
The specifics, correct?
Yes.
Now, you subsequently also looked on your phone on or about July the 20th, correct?
Yes.
Now, David Booker, to your knowledge, was arrested on July the 20th, was he not?
Yes.
You knew David Booker, correct?
Yes.
Again, was this something you went looking for yourself, or did it come to your phone?
Something that came to my phone.
Now, recall what he would have been wearing.
No.
It is summertime, is that correct?
Yes.
Was he wearing any sort of hoodie or long sleeve garment? Or attempt to try to conceal anything?
No.
You didn't see him attempt to hide a gun, did you?
No.
You didn't have to drop anyone off, did you?
No.
Because you didn't have anyone else with you other than yourself and Mr. Collins, correct?
Correct.
Now, Mr. Lewis, Mr. Booker's attorney, asked you whether or not you ever saw photographs of Mr. Booker on Mr. Collins' social media presence, correct?
Yes.
If I'm understanding correctly, you did not, correct?
Yes.
And as far as Mr. Hughley is concerned, you certainly did not see any pictures of him, correct?
Yes.
Prior to any sort of court proceeding, did you know Mr. Hughley's first name or last name?
No.
How many times would you have seen him prior to Miles' arrest?
One time.
And do you recall when that would have been?
No.
Would that have been in 2022?
Yes.
Do you recall whether it would have been before July 10th or after July 10th?
It was before July 10th. It was before July 10th.
Before July 10th. So after July 10th, you do not see Mr. Collins with Mr. Hughley whatsoever, correct?
Correct.
After July 10th, do you see Mr. Collins with Mr. Booker?
No.
Again, you don't want to be here, do you?
But I'm gonna need you to speak up and project so
Okay.
that my court order's taking everything down and we all need to be able to hear your answers, okay?
Okay.
I don't have to ask you to keep repeating yourself, and you're going to get out of here that way quickly, okay?
Okay.
So, I'll be talk quickly and get to go, you understand that?
Okay.
But the bottom line is, you're with Mr. Collins every day from July 10th until July 25th, right?
Yes.
And you don't see him with either one of these two guys during that entire 15-day period, correct?
Correct.
And you don't recall how long it would have been before July 10th that you would have seen them together, correct?
Correct. Right.
Okay, in 2023. So July 10th, you had a chance to see Mom. This is 573. I really don't remember. Okay, did you pick him up at your very close July 10th? You answered yes. Who was he with? You answered Jay. Josiah. Those are your words. Under oath.
Right. Yes.
Then it was asked again. He was with Josiah. You answered yes. Correct?
Yes.
I'm not misreading it. am I?
No.
You were under oath, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Here, here, here.
So you tweeted that you paid for the rental of the vehicle, is that right?
Yes.
You never see the vehicle?
No.
Okay, so if you didn't see the vehicle, you never rode in the vehicle. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
Was that the first time you had ever rented a vehicle for Miles Collins?
Yes. No.
Did you even know what type of vehicle it was?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr.
Ms. Craig? Sure. Okay. Mr. Clegg, may this witness be released? Any objection to this? Here. State call its next witness.